Today we're going to talk about using Flashback query to restore a view definition. So the problem was I was asked by someone, one of my clients, that there was a problem where a view got accidentally overwritten, and so they needed to restore the view. And so my first thought was, hey, let's use data pump export, and that typically takes a long time because the exports of this database are in the hundreds of gigabytes. So that was going to be a multi-hour task. And so I was trying to think, hey, is there an easier way to do this? And so I thought, well, possibly. I mean, I could, I've used Flashback Query to restore Oracle data using, a query in the past. And so I thought, well, views are just stored queries, and then that's just data. So is Flashback an option? So my first question was, to the person who requested this was, when did you overwrite it? Because I know that there's a limit to how much flashback is available. And so the answer was, oh, just within the last 20 minutes. And I thought, oh, then flashback should work. So basically, the solution's just here. I just went and I selected text from all views and I gave it a timestamp. And so I just went back to the time before the view was edited, and then I just, I'm pulling out review name equals whatever the view name was, and in this case, the schema owner was named master. And I just took that text out of the query and recreated the view, and voila, we restored things. It only took a couple of minutes as opposed to a couple of hours, and solution was there. So very useful. Sometimes you just don't think of things right away, but in this case, just a little thought afterwards and trying to avoid a lengthy delay and get in the restore, I was able to use Flashback Query in a slightly different way than I have before, and I figured I'd share it with you all. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys got something out of it. Please like, subscribe, comment, share, give your own, and give your questions. Drop them below. I'm looking forward to them. Thanks. Bye.